School can be overwhelming, never-ending assignments, after-school activities, early mornings, well, the list goes on. But it is still very important for you to stay active and eat well, okay? So here's a really quick 10-minute total body toning workout which you can do first thing in the morning before you head to class. So get your body warmed up and let's do this workout together to kickstart your metabolism. It's going to be a total body workout, okay? So each workout will be for 45 seconds long with 15 seconds rest in between. Only 10 minutes. Give me your best effort and let's do this. So the first workout will be a squat, a nice deep squat with a curtsy lunge to the side, okay? And let's go. Squat, curtsy to the side, and now the other leg, squat and curtsy to the side. Very good. So push your butt back, open up your chest and feel your legs working, feel your butt working. Squat, curtsy to the side, nice deep squat, go low, but do not hunch forward. Squat and to the side, twist, feel your hips working, squat down and feel your hips working. Good. Down and curtsy. Very nice. So the deeper you go, the more you will feel on your legs. This is a really good total body workout. Work on major muscles. That's how you will tone up quicker. Go deep and curtsy. Very good. Now, stand in the middle of your mat, okay? We want to do forward to back lunge. So start on your left leg, okay? I want you to take a wide step forward into a lunge and immediately step back, okay? Let's start with your left leg first. So wide step forward, lunge down, take a step back, lunge and forward. Good. If you want to, you can step, bring it forward, take a small step to balance yourself, and take a small step and balance. Good. As you progress, forward and back, forward and back. One more. Good. Now let's change side. Forward and back. Good. Forward and back. Very nice. Find your balance. Take a wide step, lunge forward and go back. Forward and back. Keep going, step and back. Few more, step wide, bring it back. One more, step wide and shake it out. Let's do wide squat with side crunch, okay? So step wide, I want you to point your toes out. I want you to give me a nice wide deep squat. As you come up, crunch to the side. That's it. Let's go. Wide, feel your inner thighs, crunch, feel your obliques. Good, and crunch up. Nice. Feel your inner thighs, your obliques, down, and your obliques. Push your butt back. With your squats, always remember, push your butt back, squeeze your glutes as you come up and open up your chest. Good. Step wide. Good. Feel your inner thighs, okay? The wider you step, the more you will feel on your inner thighs. Good. Keep going. Wide and squeeze. Wide and bring your knee high up. Good. High knee, elbow to knee. Nice. Wide, crunch. Balance, crunch, tighten your core, down and up. Very good. Now, at the end of your mat, okay? Let's work on upper body and core. It's going to be an inchworm with shoulder tap. Okay? Got that? Let's go. Slowly inch forward, all the way. Give me a right, left, and slowly inch back. The reason why I love this workout is because you're feeling your hamstrings as well. So stretch out your hamstrings first thing in the morning. Inch forward, push it into the ground, left, right, and slowly inch back. Do not bend your knees. Up, good. Inch forward, keep going. Very good. Feel your hamstrings, find your core balance. Do not twist your hips, okay? Keep them in line with your entire body. Up, go down, forward, stretch, 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 stretch. Left, right, strong core, and bring it back. Wow. Breathe in and breathe out. Still working on your upper body. Let's get into a push-up with a twist. So get back down. I want you to give me one solid push-up and twist. Good. Solid push-up and twist. If this is too difficult, remember you can always start on your knees. Nice, good. Push up and rotate. The rotation means you're working on your core strength and also your obliques. Good, balance, push up, balance, tighten your core and twist. Very good, down and twist. Keep going. Upper body strength is extremely important and we tend to neglect it. Up and twist. You're doing well. Remember, it is only 10 minutes before the start of your class and your day. Twist and relax. Next, bear jacks, okay? So, same thing, in a plank position, as you jack in, I want you to bend your knees, okay? So start in a plank position, as you jack in, bend your knees, okay? Out, in, bend your knees, squeeze the core, and that's how you will find your balance. That's how you will be working more on your core. Squeeze, and remember, push into the ground, relax your shoulders out and in, jack out and jack in. Very good. Feel your lower abs, your upper abs working. Halfway there, this will also bring your heart rate up. Keep going, squeeze, bend your knees, hold it. Nice, keep going. You're doing a good job. Let's get sweaty before the start of your day. Nice. Woo, few more. One more, and breathe. Reverse plank, okay? Let's get into reverse plank. So we all know plank. Now I want you to sit with your arms pointed forward, okay? Stay on your heels and give me a nice reverse plank. So up, push it up, bring it down, and push it up. Bring it down nice and controlled, push it up, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your hamstrings, feel your legs working. Good, keep going, on your heels, squeeze, relax your upper body and allow your upper body to just support you. Up, if you want to challenge yourself, bring it down, up, bring it down, balance on one leg and switch side, down, up, down, up. Very good, okay, change, down, up, down, up. Once more, change, down, up, down and up. Nice. You are almost there. Let's go. 4 times abs, okay? Let's lie on the floor and let's work on your abs. Right, so relax your arms by your side. Okay, both legs up, left, right, left, right. Do not bring it down, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left. That's it. Feel the intensity and the contraction on your lower abs. Good. Alternate. Do not rest your legs on the floor, okay? It's all about squeezing, engaging your lower abs, and feel them working together. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Keep your legs straight. Few more. Down, down, up, up, down, down. Last one. And just relax, okay? Staying in this position, let's work more on your obliques. Bicycle crunches, okay? Open up your chest, bring your legs up, and I want you to twist and work on your obliques, okay? Got that? Let's go. Twist and point your toes. Bring your knee to your elbow, bring them close, and keep flowing. Feel your obliques, feel your lower abs, your upper abs working together. So point and point. Do not rest your legs on the floor. Remember to lift your shoulders off the floor. Very good. Keep twisting. Feel the contraction on your core muscles. Okay? Work them. It is important to have a strong core even from a young age. Keep going. Keep twisting. Keep pointing. Very good. Last few more. You got this. Point, point, and relax for a little while and let's get back up, okay? Now, final workout. Let's work on plank. It is a really simple workout, but it is really effective for your core, okay? So, now get into a plank position. Elbows on the floor, okay? Flat back and just focus on engaging your core muscles, okay? Do not lift them too high up, this is wrong. Do not arch your lower back. This is wrong as well. So bring it up, flat back, toes together, and just push your elbows into the floor. Relax your shoulders. Don't let them dip, okay? Relax your shoulders and just focus on engaging your core. If you want to, we can challenge ourselves by lifting one leg off. But do not twist. This is wrong. Keep them straight and change side. Very good. Remember, hips should be in line, okay? Do not drop your hips. And you're done. Very, very well done. So that was a really quick 10 minutes workout, but as you can see, I am sweating and it should feel really good, okay? I'm sweating, but I feel energized and I can start my day. Remember, these are really simple workout. You don't need a lot of space. You can do it in your room as well. Get this workout done at least 3 to 4 times weekly on alternate days. If you want to, you can even do it every single day. It's only 10 minutes, okay? Look after your health from a young age. Eat well, nourish your body with good food, and it will help with your growth and development. And remember, it is very important for you to stay active, alright? Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet done it, and check out a lot more workout videos which you can do, and also a lot more fitness and nutritional tips which will help with your teenage years. All the best!